Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today's project is to get the oiling system set up on my bike. I used that custom oil tank that I made, the little coil mount bracket, and get it all plumbed up and installed, and get the hoses all ran. So let's get into it. Let's get all the fittings installed into the tank. I've got an outlet, a return, and a vent, and they're all going to 3/8 hose. Okay. Well, before the oil tank goes in, I'm going to install these rubber isolators to try to keep the vibration down. Here's that custom coil bracket I made, and I'm using the front oil tank mounts to install it. Let's get these oil lines routed. I've got an inlet, a return, and a vent. You know, right about now, I'm really wishing I had that lift. This oil return line really is a bear to get at, and my big fat meat hook hands aren't making it any easier. Well, that does it for the inlet and the return. Now it's time to get the cam chest vent on. The Evos use a 3/8 line, whereas all of my iron heads were all 1/4 inch. Well guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Got my oil tank all in, got all the lines ran, and just got more bike to assemble coming up. So thanks very much for watching, and I appreciate it very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.